Hey, my busy bees. I am back. I am back. I am back. I like to apologize. I got caught up in a few things, but I am still here, you guys. I'm so sorry. I left you guys on a cliffhanger. Please forgive me. But I still do hope that you guys are subscribed. And I hope that you guys, like, really have been working on your double crochet ribbed blanket. We were working on a red and white striped blanket. So I apologize, but I'm back. Go ahead, tear me a new one. Tell me how you feeling. Get me. Comment down below. Go ahead, go. I'm listening. I'm waiting. I'm reading. I'm ready. Are you finished? I'm sorry. Please excuse my background. That's my family. But I'm so sorry. I really am. I truly am. But guess what? It's blanket season, my favorite time of year where it's cold. It's not too cold. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like the end of summer, the beginning of fall, when you just want to put a nice blanket across you while you're watching television, or you just want to just get comfortable in your bed, in your chair, wherever. So let's go, you guys. My store is now open, Pieces of Comfort at bigcartel.com. Also, we're going to be making more blankets. The weather is changing. It's time for all those beautiful fall colors. So come on, you guys, get ready. Pick out your yarn. Get your favorite hook. Lego, okay? I got my yarn. You know I loves me some Red Hearts. Not sponsored. My favorite hook. So yeah, we're gonna finish that blanket off and start some new ones. You guys, I want you to tell a friend. I want you guys to tell a friend that my store is open. Holidays are coming. Okay? Piece of Comfort, bigcartel.com. Great gifts. Holidays are coming. Birthdays are coming. Yeah. And also, if you guys continue watching, and if you guys have been following my instructions, and if you have any problems, yo, just comment down below, hit me in that DM, and we're gonna get you your own blanket made. Like, it's so freaking easy. Like, once you get on, you know, the roll, it's easy. You'll be making your own blankets. This might be messing up my couple of dollars, but I don't care. It's about that piece of comfort. That's what I'm trying to give you guys. And I want you guys to pass that on to your friends, your loved ones, your peoples. So come on. I'm so touched right now. You guys, I need y'all to get your favorite hook. I'm saying it again because it's so important to me. Get your favorite hook, the hook that you feel comfortable with. I love this hook. It has a rubber grip. Get the yarn that you guys like. Like, go down to arts and crafts type of store. Hit that aisle, Walmart. Find a yarn that you like. Find a yarn colors that you like, and just follow my instructions. It takes time, but you'll have your own blanket, your own, and it'll feel so good to have you on. You guys don't understand how I felt when I made my first blanket. Okay? I gave that blanket to my brother. I gave him a piece of comfort. That first blanket, that was my baby blanket, and hopefully it's keeping him warm and it's giving him that piece of comfort. And that's what I want to bring to you guys. So like and share and follow my instructions. Follow what I do. If it's a problem, let me know. If you need me to slow it down, let me know. If you need me to say it again, let me know. I'm here for you guys. So today is Tuesday before Friday. I promise you guys we'll be back working on that double crochet red and white stripe blanket. Mine's is red and white stripe. I'm not sure what you guys decided to what the colors that you decided to work on. You guys never told me. I told you to comment down below. I don't want to just be talking to myself, I'm talking to you. See you guys soon. I am so sorry again, but I'm back, baby. Love you.